like a rock. I was strong as I could be, like a rock. Nothing ever got to me, like a rock. I was something to see, like a rock. And I stood arrow straight, unencumbered by the weight of all these hustlers and their schemes. I stood proud, I stood tall, high above it all. I still believed in my dreams. "20 years now, where'd they go? 20 years, I don't know. I sit and I wonder sometimes where they've gone. And sometimes late at night, oh, when I'm bathed in the firelight, the moon comes calling a ghostly way, and I recall, like a rock, standing arrow straight, like a rock, charging from the gate, like a rock. Sun upon my skin, like a rock, hard against the wind, like a rock. I see myself again, like a rock, oh, like a rock.
Back with a little left on. I'll grab a shorty and deal with it afterwards.
Premier driver of Cody Gravel. Premier what? Premier driver. Oh. He's the best.
On our website, log on to Y933.
Ever since I left.
Huh?
Ever since I left, you've been the best.
Place? Yeah, okay, all right.
Doing his book work.
You got any girls with you, Mike?
No, I don't, JD. Solo today.
This is not good, then.
I left them all back on the corner. Look at this poor
Stop
soul.
and pick them up.
Look at this poor soul. Hell of a place to fix a flat tire, huh?
Yeah, it is. You gotta do what you gotta do, though, huh?
That's right. You gotta fix it where you have it.
That's it. If I have to stop and get a pack of cigarettes, you won't film that way.
Oh, that's all part of the excitement.
Oh, shit.
Here comes a Jippo. Coming on down. steal some of our product.
Remember, right? It seems like the seven dwarfs went over to Rome. First 2 or 3 days, they was out partying.
53, 1030.
Then they got an audience.
They're going to be moving the
from
bus. It's going to take a while.
We're off and running, folks.
Over there, Mike, on the sidewalk.
Thank the Lord for providing us with all that scenery, JD?
Right, absolutely.
38, behind 53.
Dopey, he gets up, and the rest of them just kind of sitting there, and they keep giggling. Dopey asked the Pope, he said, "Sir, is there any nuns our size, you know, little people?"
We're headed up Appleton now, folks. Looking for Holyoke. Or Holly Park.
Holly Park.
One or the other.
Holly Park Circle, right over here.
I see a mixer over there.
Said, "No, Dopey, they're not." And all this time, the rest of them sitting back there just giggling. And he said, "Well, sir, isn't there any little nuns, any little midget nuns anywhere in the whole world?" And the Pope said, "No." And the rest of them said, "Dopey screwed up in one, Dopey screwed up in one." Awful.
That's a good one, JD. That's a good one.
That come from Mr. Borden.
Mr. Borden, huh? Thank you, Mr. Borden.
There's a new love in your heart. Tell me now, get it over. Hurt me now.
Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, out in front of Dago Mary's. There's a couple of the evening. Vic, Gassar, and Catherine
Johnson.
just arrived here. Anything you'd like to say before you go in, Vic?
Well, I can't wait to get in there and eat my fish before somebody else does.
Catherine?
I hope we make it big.
A few minutes. Right now, the safety awards for Bodie Gravel and Glaze.
What you do, you should be proud of. You guys are very professional, each and every one of you, and you know, we're happy to have you. So Let's get to the awards.
Thank you.
Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson.
Yes.
Could you say a word for the camera?
Merry Christmas.
What did you get there? An award for what?
Because I didn't report an accident.
I thought we were going to talk about my career, the ups and downs of my career.
Okay.
And you just want to talk about one night?
We have an available 30 minutes here.
I'm 30 minutes? I had the steak.
You what?
I had the steak.
You have a nice time, Mr. Boardman?
Yeah.
You want to talk about it?
No, I don't want to talk about it. I'm going to try to redo what I did earlier, retake.